Well, hi. You're in my crock pot. Guess what? I'm gonna make another meal of leave it and go. Today, I'm gonna use a pork loin, about 2 or 3 pounds, and just pour some barbecue sauce on it. So I'm making pulled pork rib sandwiches. Shrink wrap all the meat I get from the store and serve it up. All you do for my pulled pork barbecue sandwiches, just throw the loin in there, your favorite barbecue sauce. It's gross. Yes, I am a little child at heart. Some more. That is basically it. And turn it on high and let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours. I'm gonna add maybe about a half a cup of water in there to kind of put some more liquid in there. Okay. Half a cup of water, smush it around a little bit so it can get fully coated. Let it sit for 3 to 4 hours or more. For my pulled pork, after it's done cooking, I kind of shred it a little bit in the sauce so it can soak up all the juices in here, and just cook it for another 30 minutes or so. Sat for about 30 so minutes, and you just put it on a piece of bread. This bread is from my 2-in-1 ingredient bread. Just kind of shake out the juices. Here's the pulled pork. Some dill carrots, pickles, and tomatoes. Let's see. You want to see inside? That's what it looks like inside. This is the pulled pork. I forked it up, pulled it apart. I just want to say thank you, and I'll see you in the next video, and bon appetit.